Okay, let's see the note first. Yeah, present perfect continuous tense or present perfect progressive tense. Yeah. So this tense is used to show that an action started in the past and has continued up to the present moment. Yeah, it means that this action is already in the past, but it still continue to this time. Ya, jadi terjadi di masa lalu, tetapi masih berlanjut ya sampai dengan sekarang. Ya, so here there are some formula how to build the sentence by using present perfect continuous tense. Ya, for subject I, you, they, and we, the positive is using have and then been plus present participle verb ing. Yeah, present participle, the meaning is verb ing. Yeah, like eating, drinking, sleeping. Yeah, and the other verb. For the negative, just simply add not. Yeah, after have. Yeah, we put not after have. And then for the interrogative, we move have to the front of the sentence and then put the subject. After that, continue with been and verb ing. And don't forget to add the question mark. Yeah, it is very important to put the question mark. Yeah, the punctuation. So below here, we can see the examples. You have been playing tennis since your childhood. Yeah, and then for the negative, you have not been playing tennis since your childhood. Childhood itu artinya masa kecil, dari kecil. Ya, jadi dia sudah bermain tenis dari dia kecil. For example, 6 years old. Dari umur 6 tahun sudah mulai main tenis dan sampai sekarang masih suka main tenis. Ya. What happened? Oh, be careful. Okay, nah, so for the interrogative, yeah, have you been playing tennis since your childhood? Yeah, so the answer is yes or no. Yes, I have. No, I have not. Yeah, and then for the other subject, she, he, it. Yeah, we use has, and then been plus verb ing. Nah, present participle ing ini verb ing ya. And then for the negative, the same with the first one, just add not. Yes? Yeah. For the interrogative, yeah, change the position has and the subject. And at the end, we put the question mark. Ya, tanda tanya. So here the examples. She has been playing piano for 2 hours. Jadi di sini dari 2 jam yang lalu dia sedang bermain piano dan sampai saat ini masih bermain piano. Ya. And then for the negative, she has not been playing piano for 2 hours. Oh, dia tidak bermain piano selama 2 jam, sekarang udah berhenti. Ya, ini udah jam ketiga misalkan. Oh, dia sudah nggak bermain piano. And then the last, has she been playing piano for 2 hours? Ya. Jawabannya yes, she has or no, she has not. Ya. Oke, nah, kalau cara jawabnya seperti ini. Yes. And then we put the name of the subject here. Karena subjeknya di sini she, yes, she has. But if no, no, she has not, or she hasn't. This one is for the answers. Yeah. And then for this one, yes. Yes, I have, or no, I have not. Okay, so this for the answers. Yeah. So here we also put for singular subject. Do you know singular subject? Singular only? Only one subject. Nah, so for only one subject, we use this one. Yeah, this part. See it. Yes, I is singular, but I is the exception. Yeah. Ayu Dewi. So it will be easier for you to remember using Ayu Dewi. Nah, di sini is also singular subject. Yeah. For example, James has been playing guitar for 1 hour. Yeah. Okay. So James has not been playing guitar for an hour. Yeah. Or the other example, we use the other name. For example, Nisha has been sleeping for 2 hours. Ya, jadi dari 2 jam yang lalu Nisha masih tidur dan sampai sekarang masih. Itu artinya. Oh ya, just example ya Nisha. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's just the example. If we use name of people for singular. And thank you. So for this part, yeah, we can also use for plural subject. Yeah, plural subject is more than one. Yeah, for example, Dayu, Saira, and Auri have been studying English for 3 hours. Ya, for example. Jadi dari 3 jam yang lalu Dayu, Saira, dan Auri masih belajar bahasa Inggris sampai sekarang. Ya, dari 3 jam yang lalu. For example, ya. And then the other examples, ya. For example, the boys. Gio and Kakak have been playing football since childhood. Nah, dari kecil Gio sama Kakak sudah senang main sepak bola sampai sekarang masih suka. Ya. Nah, that's just the other example, ya. Okay. And then if we scroll again in this note, yeah, you will see the difference of using since and for. Nah, di sini di sentence examples-nya di sini ada since dan ada juga for. Nah, what is the difference? You can see here since and for. Nah, jadi since itu artinya sejak, kalau for artinya selama. Ya, yes, you may drink. Ya, since the meaning is sejak, and then for artinya selama. So that's the difference, ya. Kalau sejak berarti kita tahu kapan mulainya. Ya, kapan mulai terjadinya ini? Oh, mulai terjadinya ini adalah sejak masa kecil, childhood. Ya, masa kecil. Berarti masa kecilnya mungkin dari umur 5 tahun, 6 tahun, ya. Kemudian kalau selama berarti lama berlangsungnya suatu kegiatan. Contohnya tadi for 2 hours. Nah, berarti yes. Berarti dia sudah melakukan kegiatan itu selama 2 jam. Ya. Oke. Jadi, untuk perbedaannya, since is used to extend the period of time when something happened. Ya, a specific month, year, or period of time. Jadi, di bahasa Indonesia menunjukkan periode waktu. Ya, kapan sesuatu terjadi. Jadi di sini kita dijelaskan awal mula kegiatan itu dari mana. Ya, the beginning. Oh, since this morning, berarti dari tadi pagi. Since last week, dari minggu lalu. Since yesterday, dari kemarin. Since I was a child, ketika saya kecil. Ya. Dan ini since Wednesday, oh dari sejak hari Rabu. Ya, atau since 2 o'clock. Jadi dia lebih spesifik. Ya, kapan dimulai terjadinya suatu kegiatan. And then for is used to explain the duration. Ya, rentang waktu atau selama kegiatan itu berlangsung berapa lama. Ya, explain the duration of an event. Jadi dia lebih ke number of hours. Jadi di sini ada numbernya ya, hours, months, and years. Okay. So for 6 years, berarti sudah selama 6 tahun. Ya, for a week selama 1 minggu, for a month sebulan, for hours ya selama berjam-jam, and for 2 hours, for 3 hours, for 2 months. Ya, jadi melakukan kegiatan yang sama selama rentang waktu yang sudah ditentukan. Okay, so that is the explanation first. Do you have any questions maybe? Okay, is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So if yes, yeah, we will see the exercises, yeah, to make it complete. So student at school who have the book, you can open your book. Yeah. First, we will open course book page 32 to 33. For students who didn't have the book, it's okay. You can write the answer at the back of this paper. Yeah. For student at home, you can write at your notebook. Yeah. For
Course
the
book.
Okay, so this one is the course book, yeah. Course book page 33 to 34. So the first we will discuss the exercises on page 32. Okay, wait a second. 32. Mrs. will also type it here. Course book, page 32. Okay. Nah, so have you seen the page? Yes. Yeah. You can also see the question on the screen. Yeah. So you just need to write the answer only. So first of all, I will read the instructions. Yeah. How about the students at home? Are you ready for start answering the exercises?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. So prepare your pen and pencil for writing. Yeah. Just write the answer only. For the answer key, I will also put it on the LMS. Yeah. Okay. I will read the instruction first. Complete the sentences by filling in the correct present perfect progressive verb form. Okay, so do you remember the formula? Yeah, you can check here the formula. Okay, So for number 1, get Rani, please read number 1. Okay, good. Yeah, Ram blank 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 stay with his grandfather since his mother was hospitalized. Yeah. Jadi hospitalized means that the mother is sick. Yeah. So the mother stay in the hospital. Yeah. So we need to remember the formula. Yeah, the formula is subject plus has or have, yeah, plus been plus verb ing. Okay, so this is the formula. Yeah. Nah. So this is the formula. So here we already got the subject. Yeah, Ram. Okay. Nah, here, yeah, subject plus has or have, and then plus been plus verb ing. Yeah. Okay, now the subject is Ram. So Ram used has or have? Has. Good. Okay, so we write has here. And then we add been. Yeah. Has been. Nah. And then here the word is stay. Yeah. Stay plus verb ing becomes staying. Good. Yeah, so the answer is has been staying. Yeah, Chokna just write the answer
Right
on
now
the,
I'm
yeah,
in the workbook, Miss.
has been staying. Yeah. Okay, so here, yeah, stay. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of stay? Tinggal, ya, menetap. Kalau live kita bisa bilang menetap. Bedanya live and stay. Ketika kita bilang I live with my family, berarti memang tinggal dengan orang tua sudah lama, menetap di sana. Tetapi ketika kalimat ini stay with his grandparents, berarti dia itu tinggal tetapi sementara. Ya, jadi ada kemungkinan untuk tidak tinggal bersama grandparents-nya lagi. Okay, that's the difference ya. Sama seperti kalau anak-anak tinggal di tempat yang lain ya. For example, stay in your hometown, misalnya tinggal di kampung ya. Jadi tidak tinggal selamanya ya. Jadi kemungkinan akan pindah. Jadi sementara. Stay itu sementara dia. Okay, so can we move to number 2 now? Yes? Okay, number 2. So now please read the question. Okay, so here there is no subject, but we can use you here. Kayak dia nanya sama orang, ya. Misalnya Gek Rani nanya sama Chokna, pasti pakai you. Ya, apa yang kamu lakukan? Kan seperti itu. Jadi kita bisa tambahkan you di sini. Ya, the formula of interrogative switch the position have or has. Ya, with the subject. So here kita taruh has or have the first. Ya, kalau pakai you, we use has or have. Have. What have you been? Watch plus ing become watching. Nah, jadi Gek Rani nanya sama Chokna. What have you been watching on television all morning? Apa yang sedang kamu tonton
Saya
dari
benar.
tadi pagi? Okay, good. How about the students at home? Okay, have you written the answers?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
I'm done, to be exact.
Okay, number 3. Have you finished writing the answer number 2?
Yes.
Okay, so next number 3, Gita, please read number 3. Okay, so here, my boss is singular or plural? Singular. So we use has, yeah. My boss has been, and then pushing. Pushing. My boss has been pushing me to complete the work since last week. Oke, ya jadi dipaksa ya. Ayo selesaikan tugasnya dari minggu lalu. Yes? Pushing? Apakah pushing belajar present perfect continuous? Pushing. Oke, jangan sampai pushing ya belajar ini ya, anak-anak yang di rumah ya. Oke. Number 4, James, please read the question number 4. Okay, good. So we have been making. Yeah, good. We have been making. Making plans for the New Year party for several weeks now. Okay.
Udah saya duga, Miss, kalau make itu making.
Ya, good, Ibam. Ya. Nah, tidak terasa juga ya, we almost at the end of this year. Kayak sudah mau akhir tahun saja kan? So fast. Okay, next number 5, Danan, please read. Okay, good. Nah, so this one is negative. Yeah.
Not perform.
Okay, yeah. So Ritu use has or have? Has. Good. Ritu
Itu
has
not performing.
Has not been performing.
Good. Very good.
Yes, benar.
Yay. Benar, Ibam? Good
Benar,
job.
Miss.
Too easy.
Yeah, so Ritu has not been performing well in her project since she arrived. The boss might fire her. Ya, might fire bukan dibakar, maksudnya dipecat ya. Fire. Okay. Yes. It's okay. I will wait. Fire, dipecat.
Fire itu kebakar, berarti habis dipecat kebakar.
Kurang dinya ya.
Berarti habis dipecat dibakar.
Okay, so finish for part E. Now we will continue to part F. Yeah, this one. Answer the questions given below by framing sentences using the present perfect progressive tense. Use the words given in brackets. So we use this word, yeah. Reading. Nah. Number 1, Wahde, please read the question. Oke, apa yang kamu lakukan sejak saya pergi? So, I, yeah.
Reading.
I have been.
I have been reading.
Okay, reading. Okay, we put
A book.
an object here. Kira-kira mau reading apa?
A book.
English book. English book.
A storybook, Miss. A storybook.
Oke, boleh pakai web.
Webtoon.
Boleh.
Huh?
Since.
Oh. Yeah.
I like to read lesson more or lesson what lesson
Yeah.
more.
So for webtoon, you can switch it to the other, yeah, a book, a novel, a manga, comic. Yes, you can write it. Yeah.
Can I write manga, Miss? Can I write manga?
Yeah, reading webtoon, a comic, novel, magazine, yeah, or reading dictionary, maybe mau baca-baca kamus, it's okay. Yeah.
Reading.
Can I? Yeah.
Reading a storybook.
Miss. Novel. Wow. Nothing. Okay. Next, number 2, Nisha, please read it. Can you see it? Not clear? Okay, Kiran. It's okay. Kiran, please read number 2. Okay. So, here the subject is she. Yeah. She has or have? She has been living
With
yeah, good. With her grandmother for
the last day.
years. Jadi
Oh,
2 tahun terakhir ini dia tinggal bersama neneknya. Ya.
Oh.
Miss bisa lanjut kok, Miss.
Grand.
Miss, can you continue?
Sabar belum. Sabar Miss, belum.
Tunggu dulu ya, masih teman-teman yang di sekolah juga masih menulis. Ditunggu ya.
I see.
Dan Miss.
Good.
Good. Oh ya. Danen ngomongin aku.
Wahde itu kayaknya.
Danen. Ya si antara Wahde sama Danen. Itu. Tapi suaranya kayak Danen.
Oke.
Mirip-mirip gitulah.
Nisha, please put it down. Thank you. Oh, We wait for Danan and then we will continue. Yeah. Let's continue to the next page, yeah. Page 33.
Itu buku masih sama, Miss. Oh ya, masih sama. What is he doing with the printer the whole day? Copying document, listening, working, gardening, treehouse.
Okay. So number 3, please. Tias, read number 3. Okay. What is he doing? So the subject here is he. Yeah. He
Is doing he has been
copying. Nah, di sini
copying
tarikannya
dokumen.
copy ya. Copying.
Saya udah sering dengar jadinya hafal,
In
Miss.
the document for the whole day. Ya.
Copying the document.
For the whole day. Jadi seharian dia sedang memfotokopi dokumen ya.
For the whole day. Whole day. Why is Tony in the television for the
Udah selesai, Miss.
listening?
Oh, ada yang sudah selesai. Good. Thank you.
He has been listening a news.
It's okay. Just slowly but sure ya.
Saya tunggu aja, Miss, nanti takut salah. He has been listening a news from television of the television for the last few hours. Daya bingung.
Bingung dong. Saira read number 4.
He has been listening.
Okay.
Miss, can I say it?
Good.
has-
Thank you. Tony has been
Tony has been listening.
Watching.
Listening a news. Listening a news.
listening to the news.
Oh,
Ya, tambahin to-nya ya. Listening to the news on the television for the last 2 hours.
Tony has been listening to the news.
Ya, a little bit long ya. Tony has been listening to the news on the television for the last 2 hours.
For the last
2 hours.
For the last 2 hours.
Lanjut.
Sabar, masih ada yang nulis.
Oh. Wait.
What do you have a pain in your back? Working, gardening.
Now number 5, Amin. Kakak, please read number 5. Okay, why do you have pen in your bag? Okay, jadi for the subject using I have been working in the garden for 3 hours. Wow. So that's why he have a pain back then.
Done.
Wow, thank you for students at home. Ya, pasti. Vitamin G. Oh, vitamin gosok.
Diaduk-aduk airnya. Teret, 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 teret.
Matanya bisa hitam nggak?
Bisa pakai filter.
Nggak, ini nggak filter nih.
Filter.
So next we will move to the workbook ya. Workbook.
Workbook. Oh, cuma 16. Nah, nemu. Halaman. Jadi. Found it. Oh.
Have you found it? Sudah ketemu?
D. Choose the correct tense and complete the sentence. I have been seeing that movie 10 times. I have seen that movie. I have been seeing that movie 10 times.
Sari, if you have the book, you can make a circle, but if you don't have the book, just write here. Yeah, just check it, yeah. Okay, number 1 will be read by Krishna. Krishna, can you see?
Ini suaranya Miss kecil.
Oh, okay. Krishna, please.
Miss, can I go to toilet?
Yes, Kesha. Okay, so which one is the answers? I have seen or I have been seeing?
I have been seeing.
Good. I have been seeing, ya.
Tapi Miss suaranya Miss kecil.
Kenapa, Ibang?
Suaranya Miss kecil.
Oh, kecil. Oke, Miss akan besatin lagi ya kalau gitu. Oke, so sekarang sudah kedengaran jelas?
Tetap Miss kecil.
Okay. So number 1, the answer is have been seeing.
I have been waiting.
Dio, Okay, so I have been waiting. Good. I have been waiting here for 3 hours. Yeah. Have been waiting.
Jawaban saya benar, Miss.
Okay, next. Number 3, please Ibang, read number 3.
Ajay has been teaching at the university since 2 months.
Okay, good. Thank you, Ibang. Has been teaching. Yeah. Ajay has been teaching at the university since 2 months. Jadi sejak 2 bulan yang lalu sudah mulai, ya. Okay, number 4, Keisha, please read. Okay, is Keisha here? Keisha?
Keisha ke toilet, Miss.
Okay, kalau gitu get Nanda. Get Nanda first. Get Nanda, please read number 4.
Miss, your voice is that small. I don't really hear it.
Mau dipilih, Ge.
Okay, so the
Oh.
answer is
Baca nomor 4.
has been.
Has been improving.
Has been
Uh,
has been improved. I thought the three one.
Thank you, get Nanda.
Oh.
Okay.
He
Toilet.
has worked.
Mungkin masih gini.
Ya, Miss, masih. He
So
has
next,
been
number
working.
5 will be read by Lingga, please.
Yes, Miss.
Number 5, please.
Baca nomor 5.
She blank 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 has been learning to speak Russian by now.
Okay, so the answer is?
She has been learning.
Yeah, good. Has been learning. Yeah. Has been learning. Thank you, Lingga.
Russian.
Okay, so number 6, Rania, please.
Number 6. He blank 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 he has been working in the company since in 1980.
Good.
1980.
Has been
Has
working.
been
Working.
Working has been working.
Thank you so much. Has been working for number 6.
Kebanyakan pakai bin-nya sama i-nya.
Yeah.
Yes, using been and verb in, yeah. Okay, 2 numbers left. Yeah. Number 7, please, Pasca, read number 7.
Madhu lives in Germany. She has been living there since her birth.
Okay, so the answer has
Been.
living. Thank you, Pasca. Has been living. Yes. Oh yeah, Mrs. I don't see Darren. Number 8, Darren, please read the question. Kelihatan Darren tulisannya? Darren ada bukunya? Ada. workbook? Oke, Darren, sudah ketemu number 8? Let me check. So which one is the answer? Have you or have been looking? Good. Have been looking, yeah. So the answer is have been looking. Okay. So these are the answers, yeah, for page 16 on workbook. Yeah. So have you finished, students, at home?
Yes.
How about student at school already? Okay. Thank you for joining the class very well, yeah.